We're walking in the forest. We're looking for a waterfall right now. The water is coming from this way. So it has to be somewhere, and then it has to be up high. So once we get over here, we gotta go up, probably, because
Be careful, it's a spider. Ooh.
my daddy long legs. What's up, Grandpa?
It's cute looking.
What's that noise?
Y'all bold for having y'all legs out.
I mean,
I'm looking for snakes. That's something I would like not to step on.
I think we are getting closer. I think I hear water. I hear something.
What if these are like ancient kids and we're not gonna be able to see them or hear them when we get there?
It's just their freaking voice. Oh, that's the water out there. Okay. We're getting somewhere because the water's getting more powerful. Oh, I see it. Oh, wait, is that it?
This is beautiful, actually.
That must be it. I feel like I don't think I've been here. Alright, y'all, we're at the waterfall right now. Oh, so.
Come on,
Huh?
we found somewhere to sit. Unless I want to keep walking too. I mean, after we're done, we can like walk and like.
Alright, I'm about to go on that trip. Yo, I almost have twisted my ankle. Alright. Where to?
So.
You're itching.
Yes. There's one thing we did forget, bug spray. For real, we forgot the bug spray.
What about like hand sanitizer?
Ooh. No, for real.
Alright. They have. But this is dark because we can hear the water like.
You can't hear this water over there. All I hear is water. Alright, rest of food, please. Say it out loud. Thank you, Lord, for this room. We're about to see to God, our bodies. All blessings to those who are everyone that is able to use the living food and understand the way. God, I ask that you watch over us this week as we go through our trials and tribulations of life. God, I ask that you not only open our hearts, but open our minds to what we are called for. God, I hope that you open our hearts that we are not deceived by anyone and anything blocking us from your blessings, God, for you are the only one that is able to do so. So, in this name we pray, amen. Guys, can you put my phone up there, Kyle? I got.
You know, every time you gotta do it. Chicken side sandwich. Like.
No, for real.
You gotta hear the crunch. If you don't hear the crunch, you ain't having lunch. Come on.
Yeah, I don't think I'll phone is funny.
in the water, y'all. And that sounds so like, it sounds so holy, bro.
Like, this is the things that they're gonna handle when they grow up. All their siblings just in nature having fun.
Hey, y'all, they got
Not
like,
some little TikTok. Literally.
like a little TikTok. Y'all know for real. Just enjoying the lunch. Enjoying the lunch with friends. Enjoying lunch with friends. That's the name of the title. All right, Riz. And now, let's play a game where you have to like say one thing, but you can't repeat the same thing. Like, if I say leaf, you gotta say tree. She says ocean, like something in the nature.
Okay.
But then that person who messes up is obviously out.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna start.
Which rotation are we going with?
All right. Water,
Sun, grass,
ocean,
rock, trees,
moon,
branches, sun,
leaves.
fruits, dirt.
I lied. It's y'all too.
Clouds, squirrels, ants, universe, snakes, berries. They're out.
Yeah. Where's one?
I just took too long. That wasn't a part of
I mean, but you're like, that's how it goes. Like, I'm inside, you know what I'm saying? I'm inside the forest, waterfall, nature, tight. Now look at this bull. Nardo, who was getting down and dirty inside the earth, though, for real. But this is like the worst thing to do it, bro. In slides is the worst thing to do. Like, I cannot lie. Can't cat. But look, bro, I'm all the way up here. Feel me? Like, this is the top you can go, and they're all the way down there, bro. All the way down there at the bottom. Feel me? Now you gotta make it to the top, but can't give up, for real. You gotta keep going, bro. Everything gonna make sense at the end. I ain't gonna lie. Everything gonna make sense at the end, bro. Everything gonna make sense, bro. You might not believe. You might think that all of this just don't make sense, bro. Nah, bro. Everything adds up. They got oranges. Yeah. They got oranges right there. What if I just seen like a fresh little seed somewhere? Like this. You can take these and you can plant them somewhere. I ain't gonna lie. There's a little pathway up there. Kinda wanna go up there. And why is she trying to cover me, bro? Like, why is she I think she saw me, y'all. Somebody's gonna have to go the other way. You also do know that trees have life in them, bro. Trees is life. This tree right here, he has a whole heart. He's alive, bro. He just needed someone to talk to, bro. Listen, bro. It's gonna be okay, bro. Right? Everything gonna be okay, bro. You won't be here forever, bro. One day, bro, you'll grow, you'll fall, and you'll plant more trees just like you. Oh shit, bro. My fault. I don't know. People think I'm crazy because I'm talking to a tree. Nah, bro. Like, you have life, bro. Like, don't give up, bro. I'm being for real. Don't give up. Keep pushing, bro. Keep growing, bro. And you'll be the tallest tree here, bro. I believe in you, bro. For real. And I see you got sisters and family, bro. That's what's the best. Don't ever feel like you are the worst or the shortest tree here, bro. There's a tree right here, bro. You probably feel like he's the best tree. No, bro. Look at him, bro. He's going sideways and some more. You got him, bro. For real. I mean, you still got to talk to y'all's trees and stuff. I should, like, go next to her after how everything is, bro. All right, let's see. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good. talk to y'all, but this is Earth, bro. This is Mother Nature, bro.
What are you doing?
Talking with nature. Nah, there's some stuff up there, but I ain't gonna lie. I took this from the water. Nah, this is tough. We're going on a trip in our favorite forest. We were just at the water park. We're about to walk this way to see what. I'm pretty sure there's something up here, but I ain't gonna lie. Like, there's something up here for sure. If I had a marker, I would put subscribe to Off Top. But let's go. Y'all make sure always show love, bro. Always show love, bro. These trees been here for a long time. Look at this. There's a path right here, but
Why are the leaves so big?
there's some sun over here.
You fart?
No. Woo. What? This is it? This is kind of troll.
Did you not just hit some kills?
I was thinking it was gonna be like something crazy over here, like a mountain. It's someone's house. Nah, but their house is protected though. Should got a little gate on that. Probably gotta go this way.
Yeah.
I feel like everyone needs at least once to just be outside, bro. Be with the nature. You never know how grounded you can feel afterwards. You know? There has to be something up here. It looks so much more bright. Okay, let's beware. There's a web right here. Nature tie, y'all. Like, nature tie. You gotta have that. He has a web, but he's.
Wait, where?
That's tough. You don't see it right there? Duck down. Alright, nature tie, y'all. My senses is high right now. Now look at that tree. Them leaves. Crazy. That web was crazy. This is really pale, y'all. Come on. Woo! Them leaves right there, crazy.
Oh, this is where the big tree was.
Yeah. It's running from us. Dang it. I didn't get it on camera all the way, but it wasn't behind the gate. No, it wasn't, bro. I don't think so. Look, y'all, we got deer right there. They seem nice and chill, though. You just cannot attack their sons, like the kids. No, they seem nice and chill, though. See? Oh, they are nice. They're nice deer. Oh, never mind. He just cooling. See? We mean no harm. Once you see them and they be like, all right, they're like, all right, cool. What's up, y'all? What's up? All right, cool. See y'all one day in the afterlife. We will have friends with the animals and stuff. Like, we're not even supposed to be afraid of them, bro. We used to have everything, bro. Adam and Eve had everything, bro. They had animals, friends. And they decided to listen to a snake. Hey, come on, bro. All right, that's really much it, bro. For real, this way. We're out, y'all. We're back at the main part of the park. We're out. This is the end of my little nature vlog with the friends. Yeah. I'll see you in the next one. I ain't gonna cap. Next time.